What a match just they're playing. Manchester City versus Al Hilal. What a match. You saw last time Inter Milan versus Barcelona, but this time FIFA World Cup you have a new experience with Al Hilal versus Manchester City. Manchester City are lost against Al Hilal in the 4-3 in this match of knockout stage. Manchester City are the knockout against Al Hilal. Al Hilal are the qualify for this quarterfinal. This is the amazing thing. I didn't see this is coming because new coach just arrival. He wasn't have a 1 month preparation with this player, but he has understanding and he was a coach who can provide you most important, most efficient and most tactical match in this field and most pressurized. Injazi will very very good job and amazing job for this Al Hilal. Al Hilal are winning this match against Manchester City. This is an amazing thing. I can't believe he was just doing the job. Amazing thing, amazing. Just only one team, Asian Al Hilal club are quarterfinalist, and this is the club we really want to support and bring our joy with them. Manchester City are knockout and Al Hilal are winning this match against Manchester City 4-3 against very big scores. Other one, Palmeiras and Inter Milan. Inter Milan are out for this match. Inter Milan lost against Palmeiras. They scored 2 goals, but Inter Milan didn't committed any scores. Dumfries couple of shot. Lautaro Martinez was trying to shot, but deflection in this goal bar. We hope so. Man of the match will be giving the goal bar because this goal bar was amazing. The shot trying to score, but if the goalkeeper wasn't save these goals, save this shot, this goalkeeper will save this rebound thing. Inter Milan are out for this round of 16 and Palmeiras is this quarterfinal from the first Brazilian team. And other one was a Palmas. Palmeiras and Al Hilal, we saw these next matches, and Palmas and Chelsea we will show in quarterfinal, and PSG versus Bayern Munich will show quarterfinal. Tonight we have some match and we will be finalized our quarterfinal. That's it. See you next time. Tata, bye bye. Hope so you enjoy this match and see you next time. Tata, bye bye.